Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yesterday we have discussed about the Airport Authority of India Northern Region apprenticeship opportunity. So today we are going to discuss about the notification for engagement of graduate or diploma apprentice under Apprentice Act 1961 in Airport Authority of India Northern Region. So the available posts are, there are so many disciplines are available: civil, electrical, and electronics, computer science, information and technology, and automobile, aeronautics and aerospace, and fire service. These are the available disciplines and for diploma and graduate, and seats are available are given in the official notification, and the duration of training is for 1 year, and they will be providing a monthly stipend for graduate students, that is 15,000 rupees per month, and technical or diploma apprentice 12,000 rupees. The locations are so many, the northern regions are preferred, and the last date of application is 24 January 2021. So these are the main things to clarify before applying for this post. So 24 January 2021 is the last date for application completion. So the education and qualification, that is candidate should possess full-time regular 4-year degree in engineering or 3-year diploma of the above mentioned streams recognized by AICTE and GOI. So the mode of selection is professional selection of the candidate would be based on merit based in qualifying examination, and the final selection will be based on interview or verification of certificate or testimonials and submission of medical fitness certificate at the time of joining, and the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview or document verification through their registered email IDs only. And the eligibility criteria are only Indian nation and only Indian citizens from the northern regions are eligible, and candidate passed a degree or diploma on, in or after 2018 only are eligible. Age limit is, maximum age limit is 26 years on 1/7/2020. So the official site is mhrd.nats.government.in. So the establishment name is Airport Authority of India, RHQ NR, New Delhi. So after typing this keyword, there will be successfully the message of that application. So after that, just apply for that post, and there will be no TA or DA will be provided for the examination or calling of interview. And so if you have any doubts, please go mail to this mhrd.government.in or any other IDs. So these are given in the official website. So after procedures for enrollment in NATS portal is graduation and diploma. So there will be so many list or so many documents verifications are needed in this step. So step for enrollment is go log on to the website portal .mhrd.nats.government.in and click to enroll tab, and after that the page will be with the eligibility check 1, questionnaire and guidelines 2, and enrollment form 3, and preview and confirm 4 sections are shown below. So the figure given is shown, and eligibility check selection students from the drop list. And after that, if you are a graduate or anything, so completing this, after we will get sorry, you are not eligible to enroll the apprenticeship program because you are not eligible. So congrats, you are eligible to enroll now. This means let's get started in displayed. So after that, provide your mobile number and continue, and there will be a one-time password will be asked by the site, and after completing that one-time password, click continue, and type your name and primary email ID and confirm a password, and so on. And after completing this, save and continue. And after that, we have an enrollment form that needs a lot of details of you, and submit that all not all details of you, and after that there will be a providing a list of preference for training. So complete your preference, and after that they will be providing the after the complete or submit or preview the already added details, and after that submit that application, and then you can log into the site with using the mail id or application registered number or the password, using the password. And after that you can go to the find establishment and preference or establishment name. So search the Airport Authority of India, and after that they will be given the Airport Authority of India Northern Region, and apply button will be given at the page, and just apply the post. So you can apply for this post by clicking the apply button. So that's the method or steps involved in application of applying this post. So please go through the website thoroughly or notification thoroughly, and after that you can continue to apply for another if any post available in that establishment. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos. So thank you. See you in the next video.